everyone. How are you all? Very nice. Okay, now first tell me which sound is this? Good job. And B for what are these? Birds. Very nice. These are birds, but all of them have their names. You all have different names? Yes? Like you are Aisha, you are Erin. So birds also have different names. Okay? So tell me which bird is this? Eagle. Very good. Which bird is this? Parrot. Correct word is parrot. Say. Very good. This one is? Amazing. This one is? Very good. Crow. Do you know this the smallest one? This one? This one bird? Sparrow. Sparrow. And what about this? Yes, then which bird is this? Owl. Very good. Come on, repeat. Eagle. Parrot. Pigeon. Peacock. Crow. Sparrow. Owl. These are birds. These are. Okay, now how many legs do birds have? How many legs do birds have? 2 legs. How many legs? 2 legs. And they have beaks. They have hard beaks. Okay, what are these? Beaks. Birds have beaks. And birds' body covered with feathers. Then come here, I need your help for a while. Come stand up, I show you. Come, look. Look, stand here. These are feathers. Birds' body covered with feathers. Bird body covers with and birds have 2 wings. Birds have which help them to fly. Which helps them to fly. But all birds cannot fly. Okay? Some birds can fly up in the sky, but some birds cannot fly. Okay? Some birds can fly in the sky and some birds cannot fly in the sky. But all birds have feathers and wings. All birds have feathers and wings. So what are